Good afternoon. Nandito ako ngayon sa Kathleen Place 5. Meron kaming meeting kanina and it's a very important meeting kasi in-announce ng JCA Properties, which is yung developer nitong Kathleen Place 5, na merong magandang promo, which is rent to own talaga. So here it is. Wala nang patumpik-tumpik pa. Instead of paying 10% down payment, which is kung yung end unit ang end unit kasi is nasa 8.5 plus million ang total contract price. Ang magiging down payment sana niyan, if it's 10%, is nasa around 851,637,000. Pero dahil sa promo natin ngayon, instead of paying that 851, ang magiging down payment mo na lang is 3%. So yung 3% na yan is 200, nasa around 256,000. At saan mapupunta yung 7%? That will be a discount. So ang discount nyo is nasa around 597,000. Saan ka pa, di ba? So if you want the most affordable na unit, which is yung inner unit kung nasaan kami ngayon, ang total contract price nito is nasa around 5,996,000. Ang 10% nito supposedly is nasa around 600,000. Pero dahil sa promo, 3% na lang nung 600,000 na yon ang babayaran nyo. So, ang magiging payment nyo lang is around 180,000. So, ito ang pwede nyong gawin dyan. Ang reservation fee natin is 50,000. So, pay mo na the reservation fee of 50,000. And after nyo mabigay yung reservation fee na 50,000, within 7 days, dapat maibigay na yung down payment, which is 129,866. So, 129,000 lang. Para lang kayong nag 2 months advance, 2 months deposit sa isang apartment. The difference is that with this promo, with this scheme na rent to own, mapapasa inyo ang bahay eventually. So stop renting. Have your own home. Contact me. Mag-usap tayo. And mag-housekeeping tayo para mapag-usapan natin further itong promo na ito and mabigyan ko kayo ng sample computation. Please message me after viewing this video. Thank you. Talk to you soon.